Masonry. Masons are craftspersons who construct and repair walls, partitions, arches, fireplaces, chimneys, and other structures from brick, block, concrete, and glazed tile. They are credited with building some of the most intricate and longest-lasting structures in the world. In the Masonry program, you will learn everything you need from laying out jobs, reading blueprints, estimating materials and costs, to performing the actual work. The instruction includes learning skills for cutting, chipping, and laying of brick and concrete block, the mixing and spreading of mortar, and the cutting and laying of ceramic tiles. Students will learn the proper use of power and hand tools and will have the opportunity to apply their skills and knowledge by helping with the student-built house project. Upon graduation, students are well prepared for such high-priority occupations as a brick mason, block mason, or a tile setter. Further education may lead to additional employment opportunities.